tupai.
Squirrel.
One of the cute fluffy animals is the squirrel. Squirrels are fruit-eating animals, fluffy, cat-colored or brown. Usually these animals live in trees. Kucing.
Cat.
Cats are adorable animals that are much liked by humans. These four-legged and furry animals consist of various types, the most famous of which are Persian, Sphinx, Munchkin, domestic, to Angora cats. Anjing.
Dog.
Some pet dog breeds have thick and fluffy fur like marshmallows. The thick fur serves as a coat that keeps this dog warm even in cold weather. This fur comes home, which makes the dog look more cute and adorable. Kelinci.
Rabbit.
Rabbits are animals that are often kept because they are not dangerous and also have a cute and adorable appearance. Rabbits are also as popular as cats, birds, and dogs as pets.